Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use our traffic redirection script generator. So this tool will generate a PHP script that you can drop into your web hosting, you can upload to your web hosting, and then when traffic comes to that script it will redirect it according to the settings that you select here. So here you enter your default traffic destination. So let's say we want most of our traffic to go to our homepage. But if there's any traffic we want to route elsewhere, let's add some conditions in. Now before we add these conditions, it's worth saying you typically use a tool like this if you're buying traffic from certain pop-up ads and things like that, URL shorteners, and you want to split traffic off to different offers. Maybe there's some offers that are only available in certain countries. Maybe you don't want tier 3 websites coming through to your offers, etc. So what we're going to say for this example is we're going to say anything that is from, let's say, Brazil, we're going to route it through to this new offer page. And I'm actually going to add, we're going to say it's going to meet all of the conditions. It's got to be from Brazil, and let's say if it's Monday and they're from Brazil, then we're going to route them to that new different page. And you can see here we've generated a really simple basic PHP script that you can route your traffic to. And for those of you that don't know coding, what's happening here is we're calling a function that determines which country a user is from, and we're doing that based on their IP address. And if they're from Brazil, then we'll do the next bit of logic, and we'll say if it's also Monday, then we will route them through to our new offer with a 301 redirect. If they don't meet both of those conditions, they'll just go through to the default page which we set up here. So we'll do one more example. So you can write cloaking scripts with this if you want. So what we're going to say is, we're going to say if we do a reverse DNS lookup on the IP address and it looks to be owned by Google, then we can route that traffic to a different page. And what's happening here is we get in the IP address, then we get in the host name from the IP address, and then we're checking if Google is in the reverse DNS lookup for the IP address that hits this script. And if it is, we'll 301 it off to here, and if it's not, it goes to the default location. So hopefully you can see it's a really simple tool to use. You can route by their location, time, day, if it's a phone or a tablet or a desktop. You can route by user agents, IP ranges, if it's a return user, if they have HTTP refeerer, so they're coming from a certain traffic source. There's loads of different ways you can route traffic different places, and this user interface just makes it simple to generate basic PHP script to do that. So that concludes our demo. As always, thank you for watching.